If you're a fan of smaller spoilers but would like to make your statement with your material, well then you should definitely consider the SpeedForm carbon fiber rear spoiler shown here today. Now this option should appeal to the 2015 and newer owners who are looking for a blade type spoiler that does not require any drilling, along with that sleek carbon fiber construction, all for right around your mid $200 price point. By the way, making this one of the more affordable full carbon options available on the site. So right out of the box, guys, this option from SpeedForm is what it would look like if your factory blade spoiler and the Roush spoiler got a little freaky and had a baby, right? Very low profile option, very small footprint, but with a little bit more angle in this particular region here, especially when compared to your stocker. So again, I think it's a great option for the less is more crowd, but one that certainly makes up for any lack of size with that baller carbon fiber construction. Now let's get into that carbon a little bit more, guys, because outside of the overall shape, that carbon fiber construction is going to be the big reason why any S550 owner might want to get into something like this. Now, one big thing I do want to point out, guys, in regards to that carbon fiber is that this just isn't some appearance-only finish. This spoiler has been constructed from 100% real carbon fiber before being infused with resin for additional strength and then buffed to that brilliant shine you see here right out of the box. Now, to my eyes, that carbon fiber weave is very consistent throughout and is certainly on par with some of your more expensive carbon fiber options that we do also offer here on the site. Now, one thing I do also want to recommend for interested S550 owners out there is to check out our customer submitted images page and reviews of this highly rated product from SpeedForm. Great way to get a better sense of what this thing will look like once installed, and it's also nice to hear from fellow S550 owners about their experience with installing the SpeedForm option. One thing you will notice while in that customer review section is just how many owners have commented on the ease of install. And that's because, guys, this spoiler does not require any drilling or permanent modification, unlike 99% of your other options in the category. Instead, it's just simply going to adhere to the deck lid of your S550 using the included 3M automotive tape, along with your included adhesion promoter. Now, because we're dealing with a peel and stick job here, guys, site's gonna stick to a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter, and call this one about 45 minutes or so to complete from start to finish. But now, to give you a better idea of just how easy things will be, here's an AM customer to walk you through it.
So the spoiler mounts with just some 3M adhesive, which comes pre-applied. So all we're going to need for this install is some automotive grade soap to wash the car, whatever kind of sponge you like for washing, and then a little towel to dry it off. Howdy, I'm Jack, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the SpeedForm carbon fiber rear spoiler on your S550 Mustang. For the first step, all we're going to do is wash and dry the trunk lid so the 3M on the spoiler sticks to the trunk better. Alright, so once our trunk lid is nice and dry, we're going to do is peel the corners of the 3M backing. So that way we can put the spoiler on, find the location that we want. We don't need to take it off, take off the backing. We can just immediately peel it, keep the right spot. Once you got our right spot, we'll hold the spoiler down while I peel off the backing. That way we can make sure it's the right location. At the same time, applying pressures, 3M sticks. Nice. Now I've got the 3M backings pulled off. All I'm going to do is throw in the spoiler, pull down different sections, about 10-15 seconds, so I think the 3M is nice and stuck on. There you go. That's how you install the SpeedForm carbon fiber rear spoiler on your S550 Mustang.
So if you are looking for an affordable aftermarket spoiler that will make its statement through materials rather than size, well then you'll have to check out this carbon fiber option from SpeedForm right here at AmericanMuscle.com.